It's a very big question, what is autism? But I think what in a nutshell it is it affects people's social and communication skills, their ability to have social imagination, which is about understanding other people's thoughts and feelings and empathy.
A year ago, I met another psychotherapist called Deborah Wortman. Deborah and I both work as, in this specialist field with clients who are on the spectrum. We felt very passionate about starting our training consultancy because we realised there was a real lack of proper knowledge out there.
What we do is we provide delegates with information, awareness, insight and some strategies for interacting with people on the spectrum. That's what we're here for, to enable and empower people on the spectrum to be able to engage with other people.
We need the understanding so that we can help the students, so that we know how to deal with their issues, their meltdowns, their learning, and how to prevent crisis happening.
I think the training is successful because we've tried to really make it varied and interesting. I think showing film clips, having interactive case study work, splitting into groups some of the time, encouraging discussion. We do keep the courses relatively small, so it means that there are enough people to have a good, interesting discussion.
We think that there's no better way to help people to understand than to actually engage with people who are on the spectrum.
We need an autistic question panel because it gives an insight into those who actually have it, and it is really helpful for those who don't have it to understand better about the condition.
I like to explain it. The more people who understand it, the more they can pass it on, the more they can deal with people that they come across, or maybe spot some of the traits that people present and maybe then give them some slack.
If people have a better understanding, it can help people with autism feel more relaxed and be far more productive. So really, our idea was to get out there and train people in all sorts of different organisations, and also, really importantly, to help people that are actually on the spectrum understand why they are the way they are and help them to build up their confidence and self-esteem.